So guys, I thought I didn't do the intro for this video, but yeah, this is part 2, me doing necklace to spike. So let's log on to my account. What's it called again? Oh yeah, you choose, that says shoes, choose my name, okay, 600, you choose my name, okay, 600, and then my password, you guys will never know. Me. Oh yeah. I've done a different password to all like my other accounts. So I normally do the same password for all of my accounts. Yeah. I will do an Animal Jam update video soon. But yeah. Oh, I got gifts! Wow! Now that's luck. Let's say. Epic, very epic and so nice. Okay. That sounds really weird. So these are all the items I've got. I need to look like I'm a rare jammer. Just so people actually come to me. So let's just like dress myself up really well. I need to have all rares on. If I've got pink, white, purple, red. I need red. Nah. Oh, this is my look now. So, I'm going to make a list and say my list was spike. Yeah. So guys, apparently this person is giving away their den. So yeah, let's go. I really like this. This person said they will do it for their red list, so yeah. This person said they will let me offer their red list. So I'm just showing you. Oh, my sister's getting annoying, guys. Ew. Shush. Yeah. Guys, yeah. Thank you so much. So guys, that's the end of it. Hope you enjoy. And goodbye.